Hey everybody, it's Sandy Tachi here. I wanted to take a few minutes to talk to you a little bit about a success partner. What is a success partner, why you need it, and how it can benefit your business. Basically, when I started my business 2 years ago, I really didn't know exactly how I was going to reach my goals or what I needed to do. So it made perfect sense for me to find somebody that had a similar lifestyle and similar goals to me. That way we can kind of help each other reach those goals together. So at that time, I was looking for somebody that was married, possibly had children, or was interested in having children, worked a full time job, because all these things fell into my current lifestyle. So I knew that having children, they would understand what it was like to have a child and how hectic the schedules can be. So that way, if I didn't respond right away, or if I was busy, or if I was at school events, they would understand. So finding a partner that fits you is the current ideal situation. Now, when you first start with your business, whether it's coaching or any other type of business, you're going to want to find a partner. Now, that partner may not be with you for the full term of your business, because at that time, you may realize that, yes, this is the person I want to partner with. It may be somebody that you know and you get along with great. But when it comes to business, it may not be in line with your business. And you may realize that 2 months, 3 months, 5 years down the road. And it's okay to switch your success partner. And it's okay to have multiple success partners too as your business grows. So that's something to really keep in mind, that just because you commit to somebody on day one doesn't mean that they need to be with you on day 360. Of course, it's ideal and it's great because you want to have a partner that's going to push you and you're going to push them. But sometimes it doesn't work out that way. Having a success partner is going to help you reach your goals, period. Because what happens is, having a partner, you're sharing with them your ideas, your dreams, where you want to go with your business. And being a partner and having that partner, you're going to push each other towards those dreams and goals. It's not really having somebody that you casually chat with and have conversations that you would normally with, a best friend or family member. Yes, they may become one of your closest friends and they will eventually become part of your family, but ideally, it's somebody that's going to push you to reach your goals. That's what the partner is. And if they're not helping you, it's time to switch to another partner. And again, that's okay to switch. You're not divorcing them. You're not ever going to talk to them again. You're not creating this tension between each other. It's just not right for both of you. So you may need to go in different directions. Um, how do you become a better success partner? The biggest advice that I can give to you is to stick to what you say that you're going to do. For instance, set up a weekly call and keep that weekly call. It's not you text them beforehand, hey, are you ready? Just call and be like, hey, what's going on? How you doing? Spend a few minutes chit-chatting, catching up on the week, and get to business. Where are you at with your goals? Where do you want to be this week? Because that's what's going to drive each other to reach your goals. So being a success partner, you want to give it your all. You want to be considerate, be caring, and really, value the relationship that you have, because one day you're going to look back at each other and be like, oh my gosh, it's because of you that I reached these goals. So it's really important to make sure that you stick to what you say you're going to do and really do it and be proud of what you're doing. Help the other person. Let them help you. Be okay with constructive criticism, because those are the types of things that are going to help you grow your business. That's the biggest advice that I can give to you with a success partner. Make sure you go out there and get one. It doesn't need to be your neighbor. It doesn't need to be even somebody local. You could have somebody long distance. It could be somebody that you reach out to within your team. Also, reach out to your upline coaches and ask them, hey, who do you think I would be a good partner with? And we'll get to work. Hey, I'll get to work. I've partnered up people, and I'll find somebody that at that time seems like would be a good fit for you. And if it doesn't work out, that's okay. We could find somebody else. But it's ideal to partner up with somebody, let them know what your goals are, and let them help you reach your own goals, just like you would do the same for them. So good luck. Find a success partner. We're just about to roll into 2014, and it's really, really important that you have somebody there that's going to help you drive your business. So set those goals, find a partner, and get to work. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day.